Hello student, today we will study the new chapter, that is motion measurement of distance, chapter number 10, in which we will study what is motion, types of motion. So firstly we have to discuss motion क्या है. An object is said to be in motion when its position change with time. So कोई भी object क्या है, motion में है when its position मतलब वो अपना one place से another place पे वो जाता है with respect to time, that is called motion. So you can see in this picture that a girl is riding a bicycle. So she is changing her position from one place to another place with respect to time, that is called motion. So let's come to the point, that is types of motions. So you can see in this picture periodic, rectilinear, or we can say circular motion, that is also called. So let's discuss one by one. So come to the point, rectilinear motion. So we can say an object is a rectilinear motion when motion in a straight line is called rectilinear motion. So whenever an object is moving in a straight line with respect to time, that is called motion, rectilinear motion. In other words, when an object moves along a straight line path, it is called rectilinear motion. So this is example. The movement of bullet fired from a gun is an example of rectilinear motion. So you can see in this picture, a man is riding a bicycle in a straight line path, that is called rectilinear motion. Now come to the point, circular motion. So when an object moves along a circular path, it is called circular motion. And for that, one object should be stationary and other object is moving around it. So this is called circular motion. For example, the moon moves around the earth in a circular path. So the movement of moon around earth is an example of circular motion. The movement of artificial satellites around the sun is an almost similar circular path. So you can see in this picture circular path जिसमें एक ऑब्जेक्ट को रखा गया स्टेशनरी एंड अनदर स्फीयर इज मूविंग अराउंड इट. So this is called example of circular motion. Now come to the point, periodic motion. So periodic क्या होता है? Basically we can say movement in a repeating of an object in a specific interval of time, that is called periodic motion, or I can say the motion which repeat itself, यानी कि to or fro करे. So and after regular interval of time, that is called periodic motion. The motion of a second hand of watch is an example of periodic motion. So you can see आपके second hand watch हर 12 seconds के बाद, हर 24 seconds, हर 60 seconds, I can say आपका 12 पे आता है, वापस 12 पे आएगा. But if I am saying कि second hand में कितने मिली सेकेंड होते 60, तो I can say कि 60 इसके बाद again it come back to on 12. So this is example of periodic motion. So you can see in this picture, an object is moving from one place to another, to or fro, in a fixed interval of time, that is called periodic motion. So for today, we stop here and we will discuss the next topic in our next class. Thank you so much.